Hello student, welcome to math class. Today I am here with a new topic and today's topic is law of exponent. In this you will learn some rules. Now here let a and b any non-zero rational number and let m and n be integers. Suppose that m and n is integers and a and b are any non-zero rational numbers. Okay. So let us see these all the rules one by one with the help of example. Here first rule is a raised to the power m. This dot here, this dot means to multiply a raised to the power n equal to a raised to the power m plus n. If base are equal and power is different, you have to add the power. Suppose that 2 raised to power 5 and 2 raised to power 3. What will be answer? Here in this rule you can see a base is 2 2 and mn, these two are positive integers, the value should be different. So in this case we have to add base, you have to write 2 only, a raised to the power m plus n, it means 5 plus 3. So what is answer? 2 raised to the power 8. Now the second rule is a raised to the power m whole power n equal to a raised to the power mn. It means in this case you have to multiply the power only. Suppose that, for example, 3 raised to power 5 and this whole power is suppose that 3. What will be answer? 3 raised to power 5 multiplied by 3. We have to multiply. This dot means multiply equal to 3 raised to power 5 3 the 15. This rules you can understand from this example. Now, third one rules is a raised to power m over a raised to power n equal to a raised to power m minus n. If base are equal and power is different, so that 2 upon 2 base are equal and these power are different. Suppose that here 5 or here it is 3. Then what will be answer? 2 raised to power m minus n. This is m or this is n. So 5 minus 3 equal to 2 raised to power 2. This rule you can understand from this example. Now fourth one rule, a dot b raised to power m equal to a raised to power m dot b raised to power m. Here these base are different, a and b, and power is equal. Suppose that 2 multiplied dot means multiply 3 raised to power 4. What will be answer? 2 raised to power 4 and multiplied by 3 raised to power 4. And here this fifth one rules a raised to power 0. If suppose that any number 2 raised to power 0, 3 raised to power 0, or suppose that 4 raised to power 0. What will be answer in this case? Answer will be always 1. A raised to power 0 equal to 1. 2 raised to power 0 equal to 1. 3 raised to power 0 equal to 1. 4 raised to power 0 equal to 1. Now exercise 4.3 question number first. Extract the product as an exponent of single numbers. Question number first is 5 raised to power 7 multiply 5 raised to power 2. This is the first law of exponent. A raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n. What is formula equal to a raised to the power m plus n. We have to add the power if base are equal. So here 5 raised to power 7 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2 equal to 5 raised to power 7 plus 2 equal to 5 raised to power 7 plus 2 equal to 9. This is the solution of this question number first. So question number first, all the part you have to solve according to this one, the first law of exponent. Now question number second, simplify and express the result in exponential form. This is the second law of exponent. A raised to the power m and this whole power is n equal to a raised to the power mn. M dot n means we have to multiply only power. So 2 raised to power 2 whole power is 3 equal to 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3. We have to multiply this 2 and 3 because here it is also multiply a m n. So equal to 2 raised to power 3 to the 6. This is the solution of this question number first part. So like this, all the questions from question number second, you have to solve according to this second law of exponent. Now question number 4, simplify, and its second part is 2 raised to the power 8 over 2 raised to the power 5. This here base are equal and powers are different. So this is the a raised to the power m over a raised to the power n. This one law of exponent. So what are the rules for this one? A raised to the power m minus n. We have to also write it only equal to 2 raised to the power a minus m minus n. This is m or this is n. 8 minus 5 equal to 2 raised to the power 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Means now this 2 we have to multiply 3 times. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8. So this solution is 8. Now question number 6 is also simplified. Sixth first part is 8 raised to the power 5 over a raised to the power 7 equal to, this is also similar only, 8 raised to the power m minus n. The values of m is 5. 5 minus 7 equal to 8 raised to the power 5 minus 7 equal to minus 2. It means 1 upon 8 raised to the power 2. This minus we have to remove. Then we can write like that, 1 upon 8 raised to the power 2 equal to 1 upon 8 multiplied by 8 equal to 1 upon 64. 8 is a 64. Now exercise 4C, question number 3. Find the values of, question number first part is 7 raised to the power 0 plus 8 raised to the power 0 plus 9 raised to the power 0. We have to find now 7 raised to the power 0 plus 8 raised to the power 0 plus 9 raised to the power 0. Which one exponent we are using here? A raised to the power 0 equal to 1. This we know. So here all the 7, 8 and 9 are non-zero numbers. And now this you can change. 8 is raised to the power 0 equal to 1. So 7 raised to the power 0 equal to 1 plus 1 plus and 1. What is the answer? 3. Now second part is 20 raised to the power 0 minus 23 raised to the power 0 multiplied by 18 raised to the power 0. This also we have to either only 20 raised to the power 0 equal to 1 minus 23 raised to the power 0 equal to 1. First we have to solve the bracket and multiply by 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 0 multiplied by 1. So answer is 0.